Before connecting the ground, make sure the transmitter power is off. The Pro800D could cause damage to the clock if it's on, and not voltage protected, so be sure to unplug it first. Also, disconnect the common wire, and don't connect the transmitter to any circuits over 120 volts. You may need to use a length of wire to extend out to your grounding stake. If the black lead reaches your ground stake, you can clip the connector directly to the stake. You'll need to strip the insulation off the end of the wire. Then connect the black connector to the wire that leads to the ground. Don't use common grounds such as pipes or electrical grounds. It's important that the ground stake be in the soil and independent. Put your ground stake directly in the soil. Again, if you are using a length of wire to extend to your ground, you will need to strip the insulation off the end of the wire and wrap the exposed wire around the ground stake. Then push the ground stake down to ensure the best possible ground. Choose which wire you'd like to trace and disconnect it from the clock. Then connect the red lead to the wire you want to trace. Turn the transmitter on and adjust the power output knob to increase the power until you achieve a reading between 4 and 8. The good ground is crucial. If you can't achieve a reading of 4, turn the unit off and repeat the grounding process. And now you are ready to use the Pro800D.